Welcome to Heart Designs and Crafts, and this is just a quick little tutorial for this pop-up flower Mother's Day card. Now I've just done a quick video on this one because there's a little bit of different things that you need to do when cutting it out. Just in Design Space there's a few things, and then we'll put it together and see how it turns out, which I think turned out pretty good. Pretty happy with this one. Alright, let's get crafting. So to make up this card, I'm just grabbing some supplies. Now I've just got some offcuts which are the right size of some cardstock, so I'm just going to use this cardstock to cut out this card, and then we'll just need some glue to put it together. And I'm just going to use this piece of card which I've cut out, which I'm going to fold. And use for the card backing. Excellent, grab your supplies, let's get crafting. So once you've downloaded the file and uploaded it to Design Space, it'll look like this. So actually all the layers are here together. So if we look over here and click on the layer button, you can see all the layers here. Before we move them, what I just want to do is resize it. So I'm just going to resize it to 14.5 because that works better for me. Now you'll see that all of these layers are individuals except for this one. This one actually has two layers. Now what it does have, let me just make it a bit smaller so we can see it. Great. So this one here has actually two layers, the cuts for the pop-up flowers and the backing. So before we cut this one out, we will just need to attach those layers together. So once we've done that, those cut marks will cut into the back, which is what we want. So all the other layers are good to go. If you wanted to change the colors of the layers because of the card you're cutting it on, then it's up to you. If you're ready to go, you can just click make. Now you'll see the layers are all here. And this one that we attached will cut on top of that other layer there, which is what we want it to do. So when you're ready to go, just press continue and we can cut it out. Now I like to cut it out of the cardstock for intricate cuts because that just does two passes over and makes it easier and actually cuts it out a bit better. So we'll go and cut out those layers. Okay, so when it comes to putting this card together, we're basically just going to use some glue and stick all the layers on. Now this is the glue that I like to use, but I just pop it into this container because it has a tiny nozzle which is very good for precision work. So just do that. So I'm just going to start with these two first. Put these together. There we go, stick those and we'll put those up there. Now we'll pop these layers together. So we'll start from the bottom down. Get that one separate. Okay, now for this layer, what we want to do is lift up these. So we're going to stick that down, but making sure not to stick any of the petals down. So just going around the edge. In between, and I'll just stick some of these. Letters down. That should do it. Okay, stick that down. Now, grab out your weeder tool, and what we're going to do is just lift up these leaves and just the petals, I mean. Just bend them up a little bit so that they sort of pop out. And that reveals the colour underneath. So we'll just go ahead and do all of them. There we go. That looks quite lovely. All right, now I was just going to stick that straight on there, but I think I might use foam tape just to give it a bit of dimension. Stand up a bit, maybe protect the petals a little bit too. All right, let's do that. Just pop that one onto there. There we go. Just gives it a bit more show. I like it. All right, then we will just stick the back onto there. Stick the back of this onto the card and we'll be done. Go. Pull these ones back up. And there we go. We've got our cute little pop-up Mother's Day card. There we go. Excellent. Let me know if you make it. I'd love to see it. Happy crafting!